So just a few weeks ago, I released my digital product selling system and I made a few YouTube videos about it. I signed up a few people into my program and some of them have even completed their setup 100%. And so in today's video, if you are looking to sell digital products online or you're looking to resell a digital product because you're new to online marketing, but you've heard of the power of selling, digital products that have already been created for you, what I want to do in this video is I want to give you a sneak peek inside of my actual training portal so that if you decide to take that next step in selling digital products online, starting with a done-for-you product first, then you're going to love this video because I'm going to show you exactly how I've set everything up so that you can seamlessly plug in and follow step-by-step instructions that you can jumpstart your business while you're learning how to create digital products of your own. So if you want to take a peek inside my digital selling system, then let's go and check it out. All right, now before we get started, if you haven't downloaded my 10K master plan yet, that's a really great way to start because I take you through a 5-step process of helping you strategize how to get to 10K sooner than later. And of course, there are no guarantees. It's just literally it's getting, basic steps into place, including making a decision, knowing your numbers, having a good offer, having a system, and having the ability to drive traffic to that system. So I talk about that in my 10K master plan. So make sure to download that if you haven't done so already. And you can do that over at mydigitalbizsystem.com. I'm really excited because people that have signed up with me have already made their way through the system. And one of the things that I have realized working with all kinds of people throughout the years is that a lot of people struggle with tech and setting up their systems, which is why I have tried to literally remove that barrier to get going. And even though people are at different levels of understanding and technology, or even the time that they have to implement, the people that have signed up into my system that are actually taking action are going through the system and getting their systems off the ground and running. Now, inside of my system is a done-for-you course. It's already been created, so you can choose to either sell that product yourself, or you can take that product and what you learn from that product and apply it to your own business. So if you are looking to sell digital products, this is a great way to start because if you've never created a digital product before in your life, it is not the easiest thing to do because there's a lot of steps that go into it, but you can start with a done-for-you, already created digital product that is in demand, and you can basically use it as training wheels and earn while you learn how to create your own digital products in what your niche is. So with that being said, after you download my 10K master plan, you will be taken through a system. The system will show you exactly how the system works. But what I don't show inside of the system is the training portal on the back end. So that is what I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. So again, if you are interested in selling digital products that you didn't create yourself so that you can get off the ground quicker, then this definitely is going to help you as you start your digital business journey. All right. So with that being said, let me show you my training portal. And then at the end of the video, if you want more information, first, download my 10K master plan, go through the system, and if you want to go ahead and enroll in the course that is going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing and about creating digital products, then you can go ahead and do that inside of the system. And of course, if you have any questions, I have multiple ways for you to contact me, and I'm actually going to show you some of those right now as I show you the training portal for the system. So let's go check it out. All right, so here we are inside of my actual training portal, and you'll see it's very short. It's very easy to get started. And so the first video is I show you how to get started in the system, and I have a getting started guide where I walk you step by step of everything that you need to do and have in place so that you can get off the ground running. Then over here you get a copy of my share funnel. What is the share funnel? It's the actual system that you would be going through once you go to mydigitalbizsystem.com. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about that funnel. I'm going to give you a copy of that share funnel, and I'm also going to teach you how to edit your legal disclaimer pages, your thank you page, your order page, your sales page, your thank you page after the opt-in video bridge page, and the lead capture page. I'm going to show you how to brand it to yourself so that you can just literally plug in and play. Then over here, I'm going to show you how to import my 10 follow-up email series right into the system. You're going to learn how to import those emails. You're going to learn how to create minor edits to those emails. And I'm also going to give you some bonus advanced tips on how this digital selling system into your own system, where you can promote anything you want on the back end through email. I teach you how to do that inside of my training portal as well. And then I also teach you the technical aspects of connecting your email to your opt-in, which is your lead capture page. But here's where it really gets awesome, and that is the bonuses that I've included. And for that, I want to actually click on each one to show you what you're going to learn. So you're also going to learn, this is on top of the course that you purchase when you go through my system. The course is going to teach you how to build a digital business from scratch, and it's also going to teach you how to create your own digital products. But this is like a whopper bonus. This is like above and beyond teaching you how to do the things that I've learned how to do in my own business throughout the years, working with clients and as a top affiliate. These are some of the things that I implement in my business as well, or some of the things that I've seen that I really, really liked, and I'm also including them in my training. So this is one of the things that I really loved when I purchased the course from the person that I purchased it from. They had this amazing, like really cool animation on the thank you page, and I absolutely loved it. And it's just one of the 5 bonuses included inside of my training portal. And I'm going to show you how to add this fun confetti after someone makes a payment. This is really great to do if you've got sales pages, if you're welcoming someone into a membership, if you are congratulating someone for buying something from you. Because let's face it, when we pay our water bill or when we pay our electricity bill, nobody is, thanking us and like, showering us with confetti or any of those things, right? So this is just a really cool, positive way to welcome someone that has paid you money to learn from you or align with you or partner with you in a business. The next thing I'm going to show you is the importance of customer service and being available to answer questions without actually physically having to be there or having to jump on the phone. With this little piece of technology, you can have a help button on any of the pages that you assign it to, so that if anyone has any last minute questions, they can quickly reach out to you and send you a message through your Facebook page. And I show you how to do that in this bonus video. Another thing that I show you is how to use a piece of technology to add testimonials to any page that you want on your website or on your funnel. And through that technology, you can update the testimonials on this third-party app, and it will automatically update all across the board wherever you have that piece of code installed, whether it's on, again, your website, a funnel, a checkout page, etc. And I show you how to do that inside of my training. Another thing is I also show you how to cut down your design time by creating elements inside of your funnel that you don't have to create over and over and over again. I'm going to give you a shortcut so that you can create it once and then you can just copy and paste it into any page that you want. And then finally, I also show you how to run an A/B split test if you are testing different capture pages like I am. And the information that I've discovered is going to truly blow your mind when you realize what you think is going to convert may not be the thing that converts. And that's why it's so important to know the number, whether it's in the price point of the product that you're selling or whether it's in your data. You need to know the numbers. That way you can make smart business decisions. And when you are testing 2 different capture pages to see which one converts higher, running an A/B split test is something that you should be doing. And I show you how to do that really, really easily. So this is the bonus training portal that you'll get access to when you partner with me inside of this digital marketing course that you'll learn more about when you download my 10K master plan and learn more about building your own digital business, especially if you want to create your own digital products. All right, so that is the sneak preview. If you're anything like me and you want to build your digital business online, you want to create more cash flow independence, and ultimately you want to learn how to create your own digital products, but you know it's going to take a little bit of a long time. So if you could get there faster than later while you learn how to build your own digital products on the back end, then make sure to check out mydigitalbizsystem.com. I will share with you the things that you need to have in place if you want to start creating that digital income online and ultimately create your own digital products. If that sounds like you, then go to mydigitalbizsystem.com. All right, well, hopefully this video helped you, and if it did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section right below this video. And if you want to check out my system, just go to mydigitalbizsystem.com or just click on the link in the pinned comment. I will have it there for you. All right, guys and gals, well, thank you so much for watching. This has been Barbie Figueroa, and I will see you on another video. Bye.